Imagine creating mind-blowing images with just a simple text prompt. No design skills? No problem. Welcome to the future of AI image generation. All you need to do to get started is log into ChatGPT with a free account or a paid account, and you will see that there is an option to create an image. All you need to do is type in "create image" and whatever image you want to generate. For example, it can take two completely different images, such as this meme template and an image of Steve Jobs. As you guys can see here, ChatGPT was able to make Steve Jobs use the exact same pose as the meme image, while also keeping the background, and just look at the quality of this image. It's super sharp and it looks really realistic. Now here is something even crazier, chat. GPT is able to add text to images, which saves so much time for graphic designers. We'll demonstrate this by making an Apple poster with the image we just generated. Steve Jobs in the center with the background removed and in an aspect ratio of 9:16. Let's see how OpenAI's image generation model handles this. And as you guys can see, this poster looks amazing. It was able to add auto text without any flaws. It removed the background of the original image, joined the bottom half of Steve Jobs' face, and even added the original Apple logo. I think, with just a few more tweaks, this could be an actual poster that Apple uses. Now, another popular feature with this new AI model is turning images into Studio Ghibli style. Let's try it with this exact poster. I want Steve Jobs as a Studio Ghibli character. Let's see how this AI handles it. And here we have it. This Steve Jobs poster is now in Studio Ghibli style, and it looks great. One thing I really like about this poster is that it outlined the text, which was kind of hard to see, as you guys can see here. It was able to outline the text, making it a lot easier to read, which is amazing. This is why a large language model is way more user-friendly for image generation. I don't need to tell it to make every single little change. Sometimes it just knows to add certain details that make the image feel so much better and improve the entire user experience. Whether you need artwork, realistic photos, or creative graphics, just type your idea and let AI do the rest. It's super easy. Just describe your vision and ChatGPT brings it to life. You can even refine the results by tweaking your prompts. Need a unique illustration, a product concept, or even a logo idea? ChatGPT can do it all in seconds. Ready to try it yourself? Use ChatGPT's image generation today and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered tips.